Alright, today so we're going to replace a laptop screen, the Acer ES15. Alright, and this one is the 520 model. The screen replacement was bought from, the LCD replacement was bought from laptopscreens.com, and we'll be attempting to do the procedure, the actual change procedure of the LCD. Alright, I'm going to be assisted by my camera woman, who's going to be holding the camera while I attempt to replace the laptop screen. So these are some of the tools that we'll be using: spudgers. I have a tweezer, screwdriver, box cutter if I need, and my screwdriver set. So first we're going to attempt to separate the front bezel from the laptop, and none of the spudgers seems to be working, so we try to get our finger in there. And one other thing is to shut down the laptop completely, due to this laptop model not having a replaceable battery. So to prevent any shock or any damage whilst replacing the LCD, make sure that you hold down the power button to cycle the laptop off. Alright, so we're attempting to remove the front bezel, separate the front bezel from the LCD, and we could have done it in two ways, which is to twist our fingers to try to get the groove open so that we could now use the spudger to separate the rest of the front bezel from the LCD. Alright, this is a tricky bit, and I'm not the most finesse. It takes a little patience, but very simple to do. These are one of the few laptop models I've seen which does not use a screw to attach the laptop LCD to the front bezel. So it's actually more simple, and it's quite nice. Let's take a little pry open. Okay. I'm trying to do this as carefully as I can so as to not cause any breakage to the bezel. Alright, so now we've got the bezel off. I'm going to expose the LCD. What we're going to do now is going to use the screwdriver with a Phillips bit to get the screws off. There's basically, well, I see a set of screws, 4 place screws that we're going to have to detach to get the LCD off. Okay, so after we've unscrewed the LCD, it simply just comes forward. There is the LCD cable which is used to attach the LCD to the laptop, and we got to get this off so that we replace the LCD. There's some adhesive tape stuck to the back of the LCD. We just gotta pry this off. Also, still trying to be gentle. Okay, now that we've got this off, we place it here for safekeeping. And now all we have to do is to pry this cable out. Getting the LCD detached from the cable is just a matter of applying some pressure and prying it out. Getting it off. And this is the old LCD. As you can see, I don't know if it's very apparent, but there is some ink bleeding, which was caused by a trauma, I would call it, to the LCD screen and caused it to crack. We got a replacement screen, fairly simple, from the guys at laptopscreens.com, and we're attempting, as you're aware, to replace it. So it's simple. So reconnect the connector. Just verifying that connector is exactly the same, which it appears to be. The video cable to the LCD. Also want to do this a little carefully. Yeah guys, so you want to be careful when reapplying this cable into the LCD by not applying too much pressure with your fingers holding the LCD in the first case, as those things are quite fragile, as you'd expect, as well as the LCD cable. They're very fragile and they're very sensitive, and sometimes applying a little bit too much pressure could cause some unwanted damage to both the LCD screen and the cable. Okay, so when you're comfortable as getting the cable back in and you're happy with it, the process is as simple. Oh, okay. There's one step I was forgetting, guys, and that is replacing the adhesive tape over the connector. That is placed there in an effort to keep the connection a little bit more secure. So we do that. It's always wise to follow whatever the manufacturer did initially, as to ensure a long life and long use of your product. Alright, so we're gonna reattach the LCD to its holders. Yeah, there's some grooves there at the side of the. As you can see, there are two grooves, one for a screw and one for a metal, protruding metal, to securely keep the LCD. Alright, so now that we've gotten it up on the metal protrusions, we're going to use the very same screws to reattach the LCD. What I like to do is I like to place the screws, just a little time saving measure, and a personal preference. Of mine. Nothing mandatory, it's just my little way of speeding up the process. And that's because, like I told you initially, the finesse has always been a challenge. This would be much easier with magnetic screws, or magnetic screwdriver that is. This one was initially magnetized, but I guess through wear and tear, it no longer. Alright, so now I'm going to be tightening the screws as I place them in corresponding holes. Essentially securing the LCD into the laptop. And we could also test, due to the fact that the front bezel is basically aesthetic, adornment as they call it, we could test to make sure that the LCD works before applying the front bezel. And as you can see, I've just turned it on and immediately the screen came on and appears to be working fine. Glossy screen replacement for our Acer ES15 from the guys at laptopscreen.com. So what I'm doing right now is continuing to snap the front bezel back, securely placing the laptop screen. So till next time guys, this was Lee with LCD replacement for the Acer ES15 laptop screen bought from the guys at laptopscreens.com. Thank you.